they said it couldn't be done. A 700-kilogram sash that glides like a feather. No wheels, no friction, just air. Introducing Aluman Air, our most visionary sliding door system to date. Named after the very element it seems to float on, air redefines what's possible in architectural design. Thanks to Hyperloop magnetic levitation, the entire sash lifts effortlessly, sliding as if weightless, a silent ballet of precision and power. At just 18 millimeters, the vertical interlock is the thinnest in the world, offering a breathtaking panoramic experience without compromise. Every component, every track, completely hidden beneath the floor, creating a flawless, seamless transition between inside and out. Crafted from carbon core fiber, the frame is as strong as it is stunning, with ultra-low thermal conductivity and a weight-bearing capacity beyond anything we've ever built. Aluman Air isn't just a system, it's a statement. A dream turned reality for the boldest architects and the most refined spaces. Welcome to the future of minimalism. Welcome to Air, only from Aluman.